Hey everybody, Leo here. We got this common monoxide alarm here. And it's pretty common, and it's very loud, so make sure you cover your ears. But
are you going to test it?
Whoop. It went on.
Now, tell me what a carbon monoxide, tell me what it's for. What is the carbon monoxide detector for?
For carbon monoxide alarm.
What is carbon monoxide? Tell the audience so they know what it is.
It's a poisonous gas, but if you have this, if it enters here, it'll turn blue, and that's how you know it has detected carbon monoxide. But
And then what do you have to do?
exit the house right there and hit fire on the security system first, so the fire department comes.
Okay.
But do you want to do that one more time, guys?
You want to show them one more time how to test it?
Yep. So you push down here.
And if it ever goes off like that, that's when you're supposed to leave? Okay.
Okay.
All right, well, until next time, right?
Oh, it's the next alarm.
Oh, you got another one. You want to test another one?
Yeah, but I'm going to show them the back first. I got to unplug this first. So you see that? Here's the wiring here in the plug-in and how all that works. And something's back here on all the electric wires. That's where all that is. But I'm going to go ahead and show you the front of this. This is the button to test it, and this is peak level. And it just flashed.
Now, it's not going to work now because it's not turned on, right?
Yeah. We'll see.
Well, it might have a battery backup.
Yep, it's not testing. That's because it's not plugged in. But I'm going to plug it back in, guys. Peak level. I just turned it on peak level. Now test. Sounds the same. Okay.
So that means it works, right?
So
No, let's leave it alone.
these perfect carbon monoxide alarms for your home is just perfect for you to buy. So if you buy these, your family will be safe and sound. So until next time, guys, bye.